Have a good day to everyone. Magandang araw sa lahat. For today's video is all about basic and simple English Tagalog translation. English, abscond, absent, absent, absent-minded, absolute, absolutely, absolution. Tagalog, tumakas, pagliban, di pumasok, tatanga-tanga, buo, lubos, kapatawaran. English, abscond, abscond, abscond. Tagalog, tumakas, tumakas, tumakas. Absence, absence, absence. Pagliban, pagliban, pagliban. Absent, absent, absent. Di pumasok, di pumasok, di pumasok. Absent-minded, absent-minded, absent-minded. Tatanga-tanga, tatanga-tanga, tatanga-tanga. Absolute, absolute, absolute. Buo, buo, buo. Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. Lubos, lubos, lubos. Absolution, absolution, absolution. Kapatawaran, kapatawaran, kapatawaran. These are video for today. Thank you for watching.